Hi everyone, welcome to the Cobourg waterfront. We're at 101 Marisa Lane, Unit 2. This lovely 2-bedroom condo has great views of the Cobourg Marina and the lake. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll see the combination living room and dining room with gas fireplace and great views of the water. The updated kitchen is bright and cheerful. The primary bedroom has direct views of the water and a 4-piece ensuite. There's an additional bedroom, a 3-piece bath, and in-suite laundry. A great feature is the garage.